Right children, we've already had a look at sweet snacks that you can do for Semana Santa with your family at home. And now we're going to look at a couple of ideas of savoury snacks that you can do. So the two savoury snacks that we're going to do now is a hatching chick, and the second is going to be an Easter bunny toast. So let's begin. Right, first we take a boiled egg, make sure it's boiled, crack it on the table and remove the shell. If it wasn't boiled, it would just go splat everywhere. So, a boiled egg. First, we're going to cut a small slice off the bottom, like that, so we can stand our egg up like that. Then, we need to cut some zigzags around the egg to make it look like a broken egg when the chick hatches. Okay, so we've cut our zigzags around the egg, and then we remove the top like that. Now the inside of the egg yolk, we put into a bowl. Okay, keep these carefully to one side, and what we do is with the egg yolk we mash it with a fork. We add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, a little bit of mayonnaise, and a little bit of Dijon mustard to give it a little bit more flavour. And we mix this all in together. So the egg, mayonnaise, pinch of salt and some mustard. And this will give us a nice egg filling for our chick. We're going to put the filling that we've just made. You can put some more mustard in if you like to make it more yellow. It's up to you. Right, so I'm going to put it in here like that. And we're going to put the head on. Like that. Now our little chick is going to need some eyes. Now for the eyes I'm going to use some capers. Capers are in Spanish are called alcaparras. Okay, so I'm going to cut 2 little eyes. Okay, they just need to be little. One there. For the nose we're going to use some carrot. What we want is a little carrot triangle, so I'm going to cut a triangle for his beak. I'm going to put it there. So there we are. We put the filling in the egg. He's got his 2 eyes made of capers, and he's got a triangle carrot beak. And that's our little hatching chick. And he'll taste quite yummy. So we're going to put him on our tray. And that is our savoury snack. Right children, now we're ready to start our second savoury snack for Semana Santa, and it's going to be an Easter bunny toast. And these are the ingredients that we're going to use. Some brown bread, we're going to fry an egg, some cooked ham, tomato, salt, some rocket or rucola, and we'll use capers or olives for the eyes when we put it all together. The first thing we have to do is fry an egg and do the toast. Put this on. While the oil is heating, we're going to do our toast. We need 2 slices of toast. So I'll put them in there, like that.
A few moments later.
Once the oil is hot, I'm going to use a ring to fry my egg so that the egg comes out completely round to make a face. You could use a cookie cutter, or once the egg is done, you could just use a knife and cut a circle out of your egg. That's our toast ready. Right, so I'm going to take them out. I'll leave that one there. So I'm just going to grease the inside of my ring so that the egg doesn't stick. I'm going to put that there like that. And break an egg into the ring. that. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on top of the yolk to make sure that the yolk is well cooked. Right, so our fried egg is almost done, and once I remove the ring, I'll be able to put it on top of our toast. So I'm going to turn this off, remove the ring carefully, like that, and our egg is done. I'll remove the egg like that and put it on top of our toast like that. Right, we'll go back to the table and finish doing our bunny. Right, this is our bunny face. So we've got the nose, we need to put the rest of the face together. First of all, we'll do the ears. Now for the ears, we take a slice of toast, cut it in half diagonally. Now because they're rather fat, we put them together like that and cut a little bit more off like that. Okay, put that to one side, and there we have our bunny ears. We're also going to put some ham on our bunny ears. So again, I'm going to cut it like this. So we've got some ham on our bunny ears. The ham makes it a bit more of a nicer snack because ham and egg go nice together, and it makes the ears look a bit more realistic. We still need to do a nose. Now for the nose, you could either, two ways of doing it. You could use, as we've used in other snacks we've done, a little bit of tomato for a nose, or you could even use a little squeeze of ketchup, whatever you like. We also need to do the eyes. Now for the eyes, we could use olives or capers. Okay, I think I'll use olives. As you can see for the eyes, we put on olives, but it looks a bit scary, so I'm going to put the capers in the middle to make him look more like a rabbit. That's better. I think those eyes are better. So that's the eyes, and all he needs now are some whiskers. So we're going to use some rocket, some rucola, because these have spiky leaves and they look a bit like the whiskers. So I'm going to try and put some whiskers. And this is a very healthy savoury sandwich. Perhaps you could do it for breakfast, perhaps for a snack. Right, children, so these are my two savoury snacks that you could do for Semana Santa with your family. Both snacks are using eggs. As you can see for my bunny, I decided to make the bread fully round, so I cut off the crusts to make it the same as the egg. And I think that makes it a little bit more realistic. And last but not least, I hope you all have a very happy Easter.